Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for the latest reviews on cutting-edge technology. Today, we're diving into the world of smart TVs with the Insignia 32-inch F20 Smart HD Fire TV. Let me tell you, this is not just any ordinary TV. It's the best 32-inch flat-screen TV currently available in the market. First off, let's talk about design. The Insignia F20 Smart TV boasts a sleek and modern look that will elevate any living space. With its slim profile and minimalistic bezels, you're getting maximum screen real estate for an immersive viewing experience. What sets this TV apart from the rest? Well, for starters, it comes with Alexa voice control. Say goodbye to endlessly scrolling through menus. Simply press and ask Alexa to find, launch, and control your favorite content. Plus, with the Fire TV experience built in, you'll have access to over 1 million streaming movies and TV episodes, along with tens of thousands of channels and apps. Now, let's talk about picture quality. The Insignia F20 delivers stunning HD resolution, allowing you to enjoy your favorite movies, shows, and games in crisp detail. Whether you're binge-watching the latest Netflix series or immersing yourself in the world of gaming, every moment will come to life on this vibrant display. But wait, there's more. This TV also supports HDMI ARC, which means you can send audio directly to a compatible soundbar or AV receiver without the need for an extra cable. With Apple AirPlay support, you can easily share videos, photos, and music from your Apple devices to the big screen with just a tap. Don't just take my word for it. Let's hear what customers have to say. With a whopping 4.6 out of 5-star rating and over 18,000 global reviews, it's clear that the Insignia F20 Smart HD Fire TV is a crowd favorite. Customers rave about its performance, image quality, and overall value, making it a top choice for anyone in the market for a new TV. And there you have it, folks. The Insignia 32-inch F20 Smart HD Fire TV truly lives up to its title as the best 32-inch flat-screen TV on the market. With its sleek design, advanced features, and rave reviews from satisfied customers, it's a no-brainer for anyone looking to upgrade their home entertainment setup. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Be sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more in-depth reviews on the latest tech gadgets. Until next time, happy viewing!